So today I was outside checking on the guava tree and this just fell off. We had two of them on the tree. They were bagged up and it fell off right into the bag. So we're gonna take this inside, cut it open and try it. I'm very excited. First one from the tree. Alright, so we brought this inside and we washed it. This is the Ruby Supreme Guava. It's kind of got like some edges to it, if you can see. The first thing I noticed is when it came inside, I could smell it from the from the kitchen. Like this thing's super fragrant.
And it's not very soft yet, so it might not be as sweet as it can be, but we don't want to wait.
Yeah, it fell off the tree when I just barely touched it. So, and yesterday it was a little more green. It's starting to get a yellow tinge to it. So we'll see.
And you can definitely eat guavas crunchy.
Yeah, sometimes they're not as sweet.
Most of them, maybe all of them, but
I'm gonna cut this.
We like crunchy guavas.
It looks like it has a nice color. Boom! Look at that.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's like a pretty pink color.
Ruby Supreme Guava.
Is this ruby colored? I don't really know what ruby is. I thought ruby was like red.
Yeah, I think ruby's darker red, but it's like really pink. It looks really juicy.
So this is actually...
It smells really good.
This is a cross of the ruby and the Supreme.
I learn something every day. Look at that. It's got a little bit of seeds. It smells really good. I'm really excited
fragrant.
about this.
Alright. A little bit sour. But sweet.
It's juicy. Wow, this is a good
I
guava.
like the texture. It would be more sweet and less sour if we waited till it was soft. Are you in heaven?
I like it. I like a little sour. So the skin's a tiny bit bitter.
Is that the skin?
Yeah, but the inside's like really sweet. Really guava flavored. It's a strong flavor. It's not like watered down much or anything, you know?
Yeah, if you just ate the inside, you don't get that bitter. But it's not enough to really bother you.
Well, I don't mind it at all.
It just kind of adds to it.
It's like
It's really delicious.
what fruit do it taste like?
Pear, kind of?
Guava, pear.
Yeah, if you've
I
never
almost want
had
to say
guava,
watermelon. But it's like sour too.
It's like the consistency of pear with the seeds in it, which are like crunchy, but they don't really bug you at all.
I could eat the whole fruit, the seeds, the skin.
Yeah, it's like a mushy pear.
I kind of like the skin with the flesh or whatever.
I'm trying to think of what it tastes like if I had never had a guava. You know?
Candy. I like these a lot. Hopefully the tree starts putting out some more. We had one the other day that the chickens had pecked, so we had to take that off and cut into that, and it was pretty pink on the inside, but this one looked a little more juicy. See, even the knife has like guava juice on it. Pretty good.
So good. I want another one.
Anything else?
I don't know, I'm still trying to think of what it tastes like. I would say like the consistency of a mushy pear with the crunchy seeds. And then yeah, like candy, like sour cherry candy or something like that.
Yeah, I could eat a few of those. Like they're pretty big, but I think I could eat.
Yeah.
Probably eat 6 of those. Sit down, just crush through 6 of them. It'd be like I'd be pretty filled up after that.
Yeah, and like I feel like they're pretty easy to grow.
We put it in a pot and the thing started growing like crazy.
Yeah, they grow so fast. We got so what were they, mealy bugs? I think
it was aphids maybe.
Mealy bugs too though. We got a few infestations on the tree.
We just sprayed it off with water.
Yeah, and then we kind of quit taking care of it because it just kept like getting through it. Like they're such strong trees. I think they'll take like tons of water, but they can take a small drought.
And the cool thing is they're ever-bearing, so they're just continually pushing out fruit. I think it slows down in the winter a little bit, but ours looks like it's ready to push out. It has like some little flowers sitting on there, and we just transplanted it into the ground. So.
Yeah, and the flowers smell so amazing. It's so fun to have around.
We've been propagating our other trees, and it seems like the guava's really easy to propagate. I wouldn't
From
bother.
cuttings?
Yeah, I wouldn't bother growing it from seed.
Yeah, that's true. If you have a guava tree that you like, just grow it from cuttings. Unless you want to experiment and try to get something slightly different, then grow from seed if that's your thing.
Yeah, we have some from seed though, but it would take, you're just like gonna lose a year at a time pretty much waiting for that seed to get up to the size of a good size cutting. But you might end up with something really cool. It's tasty, and I wish we had some more of them.
Yeah, definitely one of the easiest trees to grow and just like tasty.